I welcome all of you on platform of Yourpedia Education, and you people are going to have your GATE exam tomorrow and next week also. Let me tell you something. This year IIT Bombay has introduced MSQ, multiple statement questions. You know, I believe MSQ can be opportunity also and it can be a challenge also, both for us. I tell you why. MSQ can be opportunity because of simple reason that there is no negative marking. There is no negative marking for this, and hence you must attempt it because there is no negative marking. So we do not have any trouble in attempting it. So make a mind up कि मेरे को इसको attempt करना है. I am to attempt MSQ because there is no negative marking. No, it will be a challenge. Why? Because of its very pattern. MSQ multiple statements will be there. Out of those multiple statements, there can be more than one correct. So unless until you tick all the correct, you will not get any marks. So not getting negative is the opportunity, but getting the marks is a challenge because you need to put your mind into this. So how to do this and how many questions are going to come? So there is no specific number they have mentioned how many questions are going to come. In my opinion, 5 to 10. There can be 5 to 10 questions MSQs. And I believe they can be more or less theoretical because of the very nature. They will not be very much numerical oriented. They will be more theoretical. And there can be 5 to 10 questions out of 65 questions of MSQ. Now, you should attempt MSQ. It is going to take little more time. If you want to score marks out of MSQ, you need to put your mind into that because he's going to ask you which of these are correct or not correct. You read it very carefully and then read the statements. Let me give you an example of that. I'm giving you a very, very simple example here for explanation. You know, circle has area, circle has radius, circle has diameter. So question can be which of the following is our correct statement. So first thing you read is what he's asking. He's asking you to find out correct or incorrect statement. Read it carefully what he's going to ask you. Then he may give you 4 choices or more than 4 choices. Read one by one. So statement you have to read very carefully, number one. Understand that it is going to take little more time. So how much time can I give for this? Maybe 3 minutes you can give for this kind of question, maximum 3 minutes. I'm going to tell you that you should not devote more than 3 minutes because if some question is going to take more than 3 minutes, please leave it. Otherwise you will get caught in that particular problem. So you can spare approximately 3 minutes for such kind of questions because you have to think it. Read the statement. Area is pi r square. Very carefully you read it. Area is pi r square. So if you find it correct, you will tick it here and something like this will come up. You know, that means this is the correct statement as per you. Perimeter is 2 pi d. You know, this is not a correct statement. Perimeter is pi d if d is the diameter. You will not tick it. Now radius is normal to the tangent drawn. Yes, looks like correct statement. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. That is also correct. Diameter is smallest chord. No, diameter is the longest chord in the circle, you know. So that means these are the two correct statements. Now A, B, C, D, he can give E also. He can be A, B, C, D, E. Now what you have to do is, suppose he says area is pi r square and then he says area is perimeter is pi r square, and you know that both cannot be same thing. So sometime he might give you statements which are contradictory. You know, he's talking about the same thing. Area is, and you can understand that either this is statement or correct or this statement is correct. So that can be thumb rule for you, or some kind of I'll say speculations you can do on the basis of that. Elimination can also be done. So let me again tell you, there can be 5 to 10 questions of MSQs. There is no negative marking, so positively attempt it and try to find out through elimination also. No, this statement looks like odd. It is extreme statement, it cannot be correct. Looks like extreme statement. If this is correct, this cannot be correct. Contradictory हो रहा है. तो ऐसे eliminate करने का try करो and devote little more time, because this is, you have to put the mind and every statement you have to read very carefully, because otherwise MCQ में क्या होता है? What is there in MCQs? You read the statement, find the answer, see where is the answer and tick it. But here what is happening? Each statement you have to read. So it is going to take little long time, and be prepared for that. Otherwise I believe it is opportunity but challenge, because even if you make one more incorrect, you will not get marks. You will get marks only if you have given the correct thing, correct options. And opportunity, because obviously no negative marking, you can go for this. All the best for your exam. Just go for all MSQs.